Uh, yeah. For the tone. Yeah. See, my name is Jeremy, and I done had my ups and downs. And yeah, my family left, nigga, and they always came back around. And see me, I'ma take my turn and put this in for my team. Paper chasing niggas, and hell yeah, nigga, puffing green. I'm a down ass nigga, and y'all know this. My name is Jeremy, youngster, do you wanna kiss? Smoking out by the pool. In high school I was such a fool, but I didn't give a damn. Hold the main, you know me, always swerving lanes when I'm drifting left and right. You know me, never make the chances and never think twice, cause I'ma be me niggas, and I'ma ride up to the freedom. I ain't gon' give a fuck, hold the freedom of speech, man, do you hear him? For the tongue. Hold up, yeah, see, I got a meal up on my wrist, now she's sitting on my, and I ain't mean to be so disrespectful in this so when I post this up on Facebook, hold on man, just take a look and never look up inside my book, cause if you do find the definition of me, look up, it says Jeremy the G, the person that I was supposed to be. So fuck you and the person that you see, cause regardless I'ma be me, and inside nigga I'm always gonna stay free.